Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release a crochet tutorial every week. And this week I'm bringing to you this beautiful headband. It's really easy to crochet and it's a no-sew tutorial, meaning that you won't be needing to sew your project in because we are working in the rounds, and it's also a very fast project to make. So this is a really quick project, under 10 minutes, so it's perfect if you are looking to crochet Christmas gifts or if you want to make it for yourself. So for this project I used this yarn, which is called cable knit yarn. To be honest, I can't remember where I purchased this yarn. However, it's what we could qualify as a super chunky yarn, or in American terms, super bulky. So I will be linking in the down bar an equivalent to this yarn that you can find in the stores. I also used a 10mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a tapestry needle. And like I said, this is a no-sew project, so the tapestry needle and the pair of scissors are simply to sew in your loose ends. So I will be speaking in US terms with British terms in brackets. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That really helps out my channel. And if you want more feminine crochet content, don't forget to head over to my Patreon page. This will be linked in the down bar. So to begin this tutorial, you will be making a slip knot. So just go ahead and make a slip knot like so. Pop your hook through and tighten. And now you are going to be chaining 32. So just go ahead and chain 32. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I've chained 32, and what we are going to be doing is making sure we are not twisting the chain, but we are going to be slip stitching through the first chain on the chain. So as you can see, I've not twisted my chain. I'm going to pop this hook through. Oops. Okay, so I've popped my hook through and I'm just going to take my yarn and pull through both loops to slip stitch. And obviously I've not twisted the chain. And now you are going to be chaining 2. So chain 2, 1 and 2 to begin row 1. Okay, so this first chain 2 counts as your first half double crochet and goes with this first stitch here. And we are going to be going into the next chain with a half double crochet. So to create a half double crochet, wrap your yarn around your hook, go into the chain like so. So just go ahead and pull up a loop. So now you have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through all 3 loops, and that creates your first half double crochet. And so now you are going to be going into the next chain once again, placing a half double crochet into that. And obviously with it being super bulky yarn, it can seem a bit stiff, but don't worry, that's totally normal. So we've got another half double crochet here, and just go ahead and place a half double crochet into each and every chain across until you reach the end of this round, and then I'll show you what to do then. Okay, so as you can see, I've gone all the way around, placing a half double crochet into each and every chain. And to finish the round, obviously making sure you are not twisting this round, just go ahead and slip stitch to the second chain of the chain 2 from the beginning of this round. And yes, so now you've done this, you are going to be chaining 2, 1 and 2, and this counts as your first half double crochet. So you can turn your work, but you can also not turn your work. So I'm not going to turn my work at this point. I'm simply going to be working my second row just directly like this. So this counts as my first half double crochet and goes with this first stitch here. And I'm simply going to be placing a half double crochet, as you can see, into the second stitch, and then another half double crochet into the next stitch, and another half double crochet into the next stitch. So just go ahead for round 2 and place a half double crochet into each and every stitch across until you reach the end of this round. And so once you reach the end of this round, just repeat what I just showed you, slip stitch to the first chain 2 that we made, and then add one more row like we've just done. So just add one more row of half double crochet, beginning your round with a chain 2 and then half double crochets. And then I'll meet you back after you've finished this row and then added another row, and I'll meet you back to show you how to finish this project. Okay, so I finished both rows. So I have 3 rows in total, as you can see. And to finish off the project, I'm simply going to be slip stitching through that chain 2 here. So just slip stitch. And now fasten off, so snip off your yarn like so, and pull your yarn through that loop here like so, and just pull it through like this. And so we have our beautiful headband. It's super cute, super warm, super chunky. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to be fastening in my loose ends. I'm going to be sewing them in. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week in my next video.